Hello. I just received the latest JBL portable Bluetooth speaker, JBL Wind 3S. It's a slim handlebar Bluetooth speaker. Its main advantage from other JBL speakers is that it's designed for cyclists and it's also water safe. I'll show you how to mount it on your bike in the next video. But today, quick unboxing. First look, and at the end of the video let's see how loud this speaker is. If you're interested in how it sounds, feel free to click more from Techscrew, and there will be a sound and bass test against a JBL Clip 4 speaker. This JBL Wind 3s also has a second version, JBL Wind 3, which also has an FM receiver, which I think is a big bonus. In other words, the Wind 3 with FM receiver costs around $65 and the JBL Wind 3s around $55. But now, let's get the music playing and see what comes with this JBL Wind 3's wireless speaker. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video.